up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chandra Lenise. If you're not new here, you know what time it is. You know what we came here to do. It's another motherfucking banger. Period. As you see by the thumbnail and by the title, we're doing a little spin a day with me. Right now, I'm finna to clean up my room. We gotta go vacuum the car. I just did put my dirty clothes in the washing machine. Then we're gonna go to Walmart. I need to give me some more ice cream because y'all, my mouth is still hurting. I am on day 3. I got them on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. So I'm on day 3. It's the morning time, so right now my mouth not hurting bad. But my tongue, last night my tongue was hurting. Like, it's like my tongue got sores on the side of it because of the back of my mouth or whatever. So my tongue a little tender, but my front tooth on this side, like my teeth down here, the back don't hurt, but like I can feel it, if that makes sense. But on the scale out of 1 to 10, I would say it's probably I want to say a 4 because it don't hurt that bad, but it's a 6 because of the way I feel. So yeah, that's already right now. I only did my Oral-B mouthwash. I really don't like that one. I feel like the Colgate one is stronger, and I just got a new bottle of the Colgate one, so I'm trying to get rid of the Oral-B one now. But and I tried the lip covers last night. I did not like the way they feel, and I don't think I put them on the correct way, or they kept coming off. So yeah, I'm not with the lip covers. But my brackets are nothing, and like right here where my mouth is, it don't really hurt. It's just my tongue for real. Like my teeth hurt, but like my mouth don't hurt. It's just like my tongue because it's scraping it or whatever, or getting caught on it. So yeah, that's the update on the teeth right now. I'm finna finish cleaning up. Then we gonna head to the store. No, we probably gonna head to clean the car first, and then go to the store, then come back home. Yeah, and yeah. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't. Like this video. And let's get into this motherfucking banger. I am the baddest on y'all TV, and let's get into it. Y'all, I think Big Mama is having her first period. Give me a second. I'm finna put the camera down. She is all in my face, trying to see what I got in my hand. We finna check. When I look, it look like there's blood on there. And where's because the blood? Because baby's growing. Oh, my baby's getting so big. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Hey. Come here, stand up. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get up. Sorry. Stop. Stop. Ouch. Hey. Hey. Let me wipe. Stop. Hey. Stop now. Y'all, so it is bleeding. So I'm gonna give her a bath and put her a pull-up on. My baby is bleeding. She scratched my toe. She need her nails cut too. So yeah, my girl started her first period. Oh my god. Let's get her a bath. Okay, y'all, so we back from the store. I got her these disposable wipes. I already opened it and took one out. I got her a large. Hopefully she can fit it because this looks pretty big. But yeah, we got her pull-up, and then we got her some treats. Because you know what, when a girl's on her period, she needs some snacks. So I got my girl some snacks. She's never had these tracks before. She's never had these snacks before. They're Morrow snacks by Milkbone. Then I got her another soft food so I can mix it with her dinner. But she got a couple that I just bought her literally probably yesterday, I think. So I don't know if I'm gonna give her this one, but I just got her another one just because, so she can have a nice set of mixed food. She gonna have a nice couple of dinners while she on her cycle. They say it lasts up to 7 to 14 days. So 2 weeks max. A normal girl's period. My normal period is 7 days. So we gonna see. I literally just got off mine yesterday, so that's crazy. But it's my baby's first period. So we back now. Now we're gonna give her a bath.